The Fuso bus concept by Mitsubishi Fuso is giving us a glimpse into the exciting future of public transport. These futuristic buses look like something out of a sci-fi movie with their sleek, modern design and aerodynamic shape. But they're not just cool to look at. They're packed with smart features that could change how we travel every day. Some versions even come with autonomous driving, which means the bus can drive itself while you sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. Inside, these concept buses are designed with the passenger in mind. The spacious interior, comfortable seating, and built-in entertainment options make the ride feel smooth and enjoyable. Whether you're heading to work, school, or just around town, the Fuso bus makes the journey feel more like a break than a chore. You won't have to worry about traffic or long waits. Just hop on and enjoy the comfort. The H2 racing truck by Gaussen is a powerful and eco-friendly beast built for both rugged performance and sustainability. Powered entirely by a hydrogen fuel cell system, this high-tech truck produces zero emissions while still delivering the raw power needed for tough off-road racing and demanding transport missions. It can travel up to 200 kilometers on just one quick hydrogen refill, making it both fast and efficient to operate. With a design that blends futuristic looks and rugged durability, the H2 racing truck is ready to take on extreme environments. Its advanced aerodynamics help boost performance, while the high-strength frame ensures it can handle tough terrain. Inside, the truck features a cutting-edge cockpit packed with digital displays and ergonomic controls, giving drivers a high level of comfort and control. Although exact pricing and payload capacity haven't been revealed yet, it's clear this truck is built as a premium, eco-conscious vehicle. Whether for competitive racing or heavy-duty operations, the H2 racing truck proves that green energy and high performance can go hand in hand. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a bold and futuristic invention that could completely change how goods are transported. This smart system runs on hydrogen fuel and doesn't need a driver. It's fully autonomous. Instead of a traditional truck, self-driving drones pull trailers, offering a cleaner and smarter way to move cargo across long distances. Each trailer drone can travel up to 1,000 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for long-haul deliveries. It's loaded with advanced sensors. The IOZ truck is a futuristic concept that aims to completely change the world of long-distance trucking. Revealed at the IOA in Hanover, this advanced truck is designed with the environment in mind. It runs on a next-generation LNG engine powered by biomethane, a clean fuel made from biogas. This results in very low CO2 emissions and ultra-low pollution, making it a much greener option for transport. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The IOZ truck includes 29 patented technologies focused on saving energy, recovering waste heat, and giving drivers a better, more comfortable experience. Its high-tech cab design can adjust to different driving needs, whether in the city, on highways, or even in autonomous mode. When parked, the cabin expands by 500 millimeters, creating extra space that includes a foldable bed, compact kitchen, shower, and entertainment wall. It also features a smart windshield that displays real-time data and connects with Michelin Smart tires for better safety. With its bold design, green power, and smart features, the IOZ truck isn't just a truck. It's a revolution in eco-friendly, driver-focused transportation built for the future of the road. The IOZ truck is a futuristic and eco-friendly concept that could completely change long-haul trucking. Unveiled at the IAA in Hanover, this truck is built to reduce pollution and make driving more comfortable and efficient. It runs on a biomethane-powered LNG engine, which means it uses fuel made from organic waste. This helps cut down on CO2 emissions and reduces air pollution. But that's just the beginning. This truck includes 29 new technologies that focus on saving energy, using waste heat, and improving the driver's overall comfort. The Morello Palace is more than just a motorhome. It's like a luxury hotel on wheels. Designed by the German company Morello Mobile, this elegant vehicle gives you a first-class travel experience with all the comforts of home. From the moment you step inside through its wide door, you'll feel like you've entered a private suite. The kitchen is fully equipped, perfect for cooking on the go, and the bathroom is modern and spacious. The beds are cozy, and there's plenty of storage space for your clothes, gear, and essentials. It also has large water tanks for both fresh and wastewater, so you can stay off-grid longer, and the built-in heating system keeps things warm and comfortable in any season. The driving experience is just as impressive. With a 205 horsepower engine and a smart swiveling screen for easy control and navigation, it's smooth, powerful, and safe. Next future transportation is changing the way cities move with its smart and eco-friendly modular electric vehicles. These futuristic vehicles are fully electric and self-driving, designed to work alone or connect with others to form larger units, depending on the needs of the city. This modular system makes transportation more flexible, efficient, and cost-effective. Whether it's carrying passengers or cargo, these vehicles can adapt quickly, making them ideal for all kinds of urban transport situations. They can travel up to 250 miles on a single charge and offer a cleaner, greener alternative to traditional buses, vans, and delivery trucks. By combining autonomous driving, smart connectivity, and zero-emission technology, Next vehicles help reduce traffic congestion and air pollution in busy city environments. They're also designed with efficiency in mind, offering major cost savings over time for cities and companies alike. The Nikola Tre is an all-electric truck built for long-distance hauling with zero emissions and powerful performance. This Class 8 truck is perfect for tough freight jobs, offering a driving range of up to 500 miles on a single charge. It's powered by a massive 653 kilowatt-hour battery, giving it both strength and efficiency on the road. With an electric motor that delivers up to 500 horsepower and 1,000 pound-feet of torque, the Nikola Tre can easily handle heavy loads while keeping running costs low and reducing carbon pollution. Inside, the truck is just as impressive. The cabin is roomy and comfortable, filled with modern features designed to make life easier for the driver. It also includes autonomous driving technology, adding an extra layer of safety and making long trips less tiring. Stock Combo. The Laramie Stock Combo is perfect for anyone who loves horses and road trips. It's not just a horse trailer, it's a full-featured motorhome and horse transporter in one. Built with solid American craftsmanship, this trailer is designed to handle tough jobs while keeping you and your animals comfortable. It's 8 feet wide and 7.8 feet tall, giving you tons of space for your family and horses. Inside, there's a cozy bedroom to rest in, a lounge to relax, a modern bathroom, and a complete kitchen to cook your meals. There's even a 15-foot insulated space for your horses, so they travel safely and comfortably. It comes with everything you need: furniture, appliances, and plenty of storage, so you won't miss home at all. This trailer is made for people who want to enjoy long trips without leaving their horses behind. The Track T4 is a smart and stylish trailer from Australia that's built to match your lifestyle. It's like having a home on wheels that adjusts to your needs, whether you're a couple, a family, or an adventure lover. There are 3 different models to choose from. The Rhapsody is great for couples who want comfort and space while traveling. It includes a comfy bed and a well-equipped kitchen, perfect for relaxing trips. The Concerto is made for families who enjoy road trips together. It has a big kitchen that can be used indoors or moved outside, plus a dining table that seats 6 people, making it ideal for meals and fun times on the road. The third model, Symphony, is designed for adventurous travelers who love customizing their space. It has everything you need, including a grill, a detachable shower cabin, and large windows for beautiful scenic views. Each T4 model is built with high-quality materials and clever features to make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. TerMobile Caravan. TerMobile Caravan lets you explore Turkey like never before, freely, comfortably, and on your own schedule. Instead of being tied to hotels or tour plans, you can rent a fully equipped caravan and hit the open road. Whether you're starting your trip in Istanbul, Ankara, Antalya, Izmir, or Bodrum, TerMobile has rental locations across the country to make pickup and return super easy. These caravans come with everything you need for a great trip: cozy beds, a kitchen area, bathroom, storage, and a relaxing interior space. You get the comfort of home while being surrounded by nature, whether you're camping in the mountains or parking near the beach. It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or families who want a taste of freedom and adventure. With short and long-term rental options, TerraMobile makes road tripping simple and fun. Unicat Amerigo International. The Unicat Amerigo International is a tough, go-anywhere motorhome made for serious adventurers. Built on a heavy-duty 4x4 truck chassis, it's designed to handle the world's roughest roads with ease. One of its most impressive features is the huge 2,000-liter fuel tank, which allows you to travel up to 2,000 kilometers without needing to stop for fuel. That means you can explore remote places far away from cities or gas stations. Inside, it feels like a mini home on wheels. There's a comfy queen-size bed, a full kitchen, a clean and private bathroom, a dining area, and plenty of storage for your gear. It's also packed with useful tech, like solar panels to keep your power running, a water purification system so you always have clean drinking water, air conditioning for comfort, and a satellite dish to stay connected or entertained wherever you go. If you love camping but don't want to lose the comfort and ease of home, the Tour CUV is something you'll want to check out. Made by Naus Tabard, this smart pop-up camper is built on the Volkswagen T6.1, combining the best parts of a camper van and a motorhome in one compact vehicle. It may be only 232 inches long, but it's packed with clever features. The rear bed folds up partially to create space for a dry bathroom, so you can freshen up without stepping outside. The pop-up roof gives you 2 meters of standing height, making the inside feel roomy and comfortable. Whether you're cooking, relaxing, or getting ready for bed, this design makes camping feel easy and enjoyable. Plus, the Tour CUV comes in 2 different layouts, giving you the choice to match your travel needs. It's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or small families who want flexibility without sacrificing comfort. This stylish little camper made its debut at the 2022 Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf. The Volvo VNL is a modern, powerful truck built for long journeys, combining strength, comfort, and smart technology. It looks bold with its shiny chrome body and sleek design, but it's not just about appearance. This truck is made to make life easier for drivers. With its automatic I-shift transmission, you don't have to worry about changing gears. The truck does it for you, making the ride smooth and stress-free, even on tough roads. Inside, the VNL is like a mini hotel on wheels. The spacious sleeper cab gives drivers a comfortable place to rest, with plenty of room to stretch out after long hours on the road. It's designed to keep drivers relaxed and refreshed for the next stretch of the journey. And while it's big and powerful, it's also smart about fuel. Its aerodynamic shape helps it move through the air more easily. The Wingham OC540 is the perfect motorhome for anyone who wants to travel comfortably without giving up the feeling of home. Built on the compact Ram ProMaster, it's easy to drive, park, and take on any road trip, whether you're heading into the city or out into nature. Though it's small on the outside, the inside is smartly designed to give you everything you need. You'll find a folding bed for restful sleep, a kitchenette to cook meals on the go, a bathroom, and a cozy living space to relax. What makes it even better are the high-end features like dimmable LED lights, heated floors, and a clean, modern layout. Every detail is made to help you feel comfortable and organized while you're traveling. The space is used so efficiently that it feels much bigger than it is. Whether you're a solo traveler or a couple looking for adventure, the Wingham OC540 gives you the freedom to explore with ease, style, and convenience. Wonderland XTR is a rugged, luxury-ready off-road caravan designed for family adventures and extreme terrain exploration. It swept the Caravan World 2024 awards, earning titles like Best Overall Caravan, Best Family Caravan, and Most Innovative Build. Saturn Search, Turn Search 6, Built on a reinforced CRZR chassis with wireless Cruisemaster XT airbag suspension, the XTR effortlessly conquers rocky tracks and corrugated roads. Its tough construction includes high-clearance wheels, heavy-duty brakes, and underbody protection for serious off-grid travel. Turn Search to Turn Search 4. Inside, it's generous and smartly designed. With over 30 layouts, you'll find family-friendly models like the XTR 2211, featuring bunk beds and a queen bedroom with a pillow-top mattress, plus huge 890L underbed storage and clever drawers under each bunk. Turn Search 11.